In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cyberghost VPN on Macos. If you're looking for a way to browse the internet securely and keep your online activities private, installing a VPN is the best way to go. And Cyberghost VPN is a fantastic choice. So sit back and follow along as we walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Cyberghost VPN website. It's fast, secure, and offers an excellent range of services. Once you're on the main page, look for the option to access your account. This is usually labeled as My Account. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Now that you're at the login page, you'll want to click on Login. Of course, you'll need your login credentials handy. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll want to take a moment to sign up so you can proceed with the installation. Once you're logged in, the next destination is the Cyberghost home. It's the central hub from where you can manage your account and access all the resources provided by Cyberghost. From here, it's important to navigate to their download hub. This is specifically designed to help you access various downloadable resources suitable for your device. Next, at the download hub, look for the option labeled Desktop Apps. Clicking on this will offer you various application download options specific to desktop users. Since we are focusing on macOS today, you will then click on macOS from the list of available options. Downloading Cyberghost for macOS is pretty straightforward from this point. The site will provide a simple download link specifically for macOS users. Click the download link and the application installation file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, which should typically be in your Downloads folder, and open it to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This usually involves dragging the application icon into your Applications folder. Once installed, you can open Cyberghost VPN by navigating to your Applications folder and clicking on its icon. Congratulations! You're now prepared to securely browse the internet with Cyberghost. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully installed Cyberghost VPN on your macOS device. Now you can enjoy a safer and more private internet browsing experience. Remember to regularly update your application and ensure that it's running whenever you're using your Mac online for continued protection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.